Good afternoon, Mr. S's third hour class. Today we will be discussing the history of abortion, some basic facts, and what a local pregnancy center can offer for those who choose not to get abortions. We will also be showing an interview with Betty, who volunteers at the Advice and Aid Pregnancy Center in Kingman, Arizona.
Thank you, Laura, but first the weather.
As you can see, it's going to be sunny here in Paradise with a slight hint of snow, some sleet, and some wind, but not a lot, mainly sun.
Thank you, Laura. A court case that started a debate countrywide over contraceptives and marital privacy that led to the issue of abortion was Estelle T. Griswold and C. Lee Buxton versus Connecticut, or otherwise known as Griswold versus Connecticut. It was a landmark case in which the Supreme Court ruled that the Constitution protected a right to privacy. This case involved the Connecticut law that prohibited the use of contraceptives, condoms, birth control, the works. Anyways, by a vote of 7-2, the Supreme Court invalidated the Connecticut law on the grounds that it violated the right to marital privacy. Another important case was Roe versus Wade. Laura?
Yes. Jane Roe, alias, versus Henry Wade, District Attorney of Dallas County, or Roe versus Wade, was a big step in legalizing abortion countrywide. In 1969, Jane Roe found that she was pregnant with her third child, but she didn't want it. She had been advised by her friends to say that she was raped in order to get a legal abortion. She was turned down due to no evidence or police report of the alleged rape. After failing to get an illegal abortion, she talked with attorneys Linda Coffey and Sarah Weddington. They filed a suit in a U.S. District Court in Texas, the defendant being Henry Wade representing the state of Texas. The district court ruled in Roe's favor, based on the Ninth Amendment, which says that the rights of the people are not specifically enumerated in the Constitution, are enforced and covered.
Roe v. Wade reached the U.S. Supreme Court on appeal. In January of 1973, the Supreme Court came back with a 7-2 majority in favor of Roe.
And now, a few facts about abortion. Abortions were federally legalized in 1973. From 1977 to 1997, there were over 1 million legal abortions each year. 47% of women who have received an abortion have usually had one before. Close to 80% of women who have had abortions are unmarried.
Normally, 88% of all abortions happen during the first trimester. In 2003, 10 women died as a result of complications from abortion. 9 out of 10 women who are using contraceptives are at risk of getting pregnant. 40% of girls under 18 who get abortions admit to never telling their parents about the procedure.
And after these messages, we will show the interview with Betty from the Advice and Aid Pregnancy Center in Kingman, Arizona.
Ashlie Hudson.
I can't do it! Ah! I need some information about being a new mom.
Great.
Welcome back. Now our interview with Betty.
How long has the Pregnancy Center been in Kingman?
Teresa Ream opened the Pregnancy Center on December 19th, 1998.
Okay. What services does the Pregnancy Center offer new mothers?
Okay. Our mission statement is it's dedicated to helping women to continue their pregnancy in a normal, healthy manner by offering friendship, practical help, and support. And this also includes education.
Okay. The things that you do here for these women do you charge, or is it free, or?
No, this is all free services, and we're able to do this because we have support of churches and a lot of other different organizations in town that help us with the money so that we can pay the rent, so that we can.
Yeah. Okay. What do you do at the pregnancy center?
I'm a nurse practitioner, retired. So what I do here is I do basically anything there is to be done. But since I'm a nurse, I do pregnancy tests, and we do counseling,
Okay.
and then we also do offer free ultrasounds.
Okay. How long have you been here?
I've been here since 2002.
Okay, great. On average, how many clients do you have throughout the year here at the pregnancy center?
Okay, families that we have seen come back, because they come back once a week.
Mm-hmm.
We've seen 1,759 visits.
Okay.
But actually, new clients, we've seen 217.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you. Now, the Pregnancy Center and all of Mojave County do not offer abortions. However, there are many pregnancy centers available that women can visit if they choose to have their babies.
If you need to speak with the Advice and Aid Pregnancy Center in Kingman, Arizona, you can call the number 928-692-1301.
Thank you for joining us today, and good night.